Elon Reeves Must and Abigail Joy Maharaka Miraflor shall live together forever. No woman or girl can take Elon Reeves Must away from Abigail Joy Maharakan Miraflor. From henceforth, if he do, Elon Reeves Must shall die. Our blood shall fight such woman and kill both of them. And where Elon Reeves must die, I, Abigail Joy Maharok and Miraflor, shall die same daytime. If the will fail to forgive each other when we are wrong, we shall die, and no man shall see our private part. And we shall not hide our feelings, not even sex. We shall see our nakedness even before we are far away. If you are sick, I, Abigail Joy Maharokan Miraflor, shall also seek. If I'm Abigail Joy Maharokan Miraflor is happy, you shall also be happy. Whatsoever Elon leaves must I have are is mine, and whatsoever I, Abigail Joy Maharakan Miraflor, have belongs. Elon Reeves must. Every access Elon Reeves must has our mine, vice versa. Every words of the Bible bears me, Abigail Joy, Marocan Miraflor, and Elon Reeves must witness. We shall easily forgive our wrong, our blood, our saying now, our spirit, our saying now, till death do us part, and even beyond death. Even after death, we are married already. I love you more, Elon Reeves must. Honey, I'm yours now forever. Stay away from my husband.